Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable weekly reports in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just wanted to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, look for the weekly report button and just click on that. And as you can see, you find a small description on the function in the About section. And if you want to enable this, then just click on the On button, and you can also set the notifications for the weekly reports if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.